This landslide happened in the city of Bandipur, Nepal.
Air, air, air. Low. Low, man. Low. Oh, man. Ke भयो यस्तो? Man.
Hail is a motorist's worst enemy. Each hailstone is a hit not only to the car, but also to the owner's wallet. In the summer of 2024, a tornado formed right above a Russian airport. The damage was estimated to be at least $2.4 million. And from the ground, it looked even more terrifying. When you think of destructive natural events, fog probably doesn't come to mind. But check this out. In New Orleans, fog caused a pileup on a bridge involving over 40 cars. 6 accidents in total. The cars were a mess, but luckily, no one got seriously hurt. Even from this angle, this video gives us chills. We can't imagine what the people on the boats experienced.
We better get out of here.
Sub-zero temperatures are rare in Baku, Azerbaijan. On this day, local divers weren't ready for the ice. And of course, no one had winter tires.
Crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly. As Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice. Dearborn Heights.
This is freaking cool, dude. Wow. This This is actually dope. Oh my
You might think an artist created an entire ice city, but
Ебем солнце.
the sound of this landslide is so intense that it reminds me of a raging river. When the people of Meghalaya, India, saw that their bridge was a goner, they decided to make a spectacle out of its destruction. It rained non-stop for 3 days, and in the end, nature won. This tsunami that hit California was caused by an earthquake off the coast of Japan. The water level rose by almost a meter. Even though the tsunami had weakened by the time it reached this port, it still caused $26 million in damage.
That's gonna come whacking right back up here if it gets under.
راعي لفلون ابوي راعي لفلون. ابو سيارة محمد يوصل هنا. انا مصور فيديو. Incredibile. Deci este absolut incredibil.
Este un nor imens.
These windows were shattered by a massive hailstorm that hit Denver in 2017.